Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels Premium Collector Set for Iconic Racers. You can always check out my other videos on the boxes 1 through 3 in the link below. So on the box, it shows Hot Wheels and Premium, and then Hot Wheels Car Culture, Mattel, then it says Hot Wheels Car Culture on this side, and on the back, it shows the cars and the one truck in the set. And this side just says Hot Wheels Premium. So here's what the box looks like on the inside. And then you can see the track all in the background. And then the cars. And then I'm gonna take these cars out off camera. So here they are, and let's start with the carry-on. So this truck is a dark red. Then you have the yellow rims, pretty big tires. Then you have the white, black, and gold stripes, and then one little red stripe. Then it says Hot Wheels Transport down here. 24/7 roadside assistance. And then you can easily fit one of these cars on here. And then the license plate says Hot Wheels. The carry-on was one of the first Team Transport haulers. It was designed by Mark Jones, and this is the 4th time we have seen it. So next up is the Jaguar Lightweight E-Type. So this car is silver, then it has the white circle on the side, then on the top, and it looks pretty cool. What I really like about this car is the paint too. And then on the back, it's hard to tell, but it says E-Type Jaguar. And then we also saw it in the Team Transport set in 2019 in this dark green color. It's basically the same exact thing, just with different colors. Mark Jones designed this car, and we will definitely see this more in premium sets. So next up is a Porsche 917k. So it says 20 right here, then the Golf, all the Golf tampoing and detailing. It says Golf 20, orange stripe right down the middle. This is just a really nice car. The star rims. This car just looks amazing. And then we also saw it in an RLC set for Golf. And this is definitely my favorite one overall, because it just looks so good. With the metallic paint, this is easily one of my favorite Hot Wheels. We haven't seen this casting that much, and Larry Wood designed this car, so hopefully Hot Wheels can make more of this casting. So last car is a Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. So this car is black, 417 on it, all over the car, on the back, and the hood, and then the sides. You can see the roll cage, Mercedes-Benz logo, the headlights, and then we also saw this as a Team Transport car too, in 2019. So instead of the Jaguar, this one has different detailing. With different tampos on the back. It says 68, and then this is 417. This car is pretty cool, and Manson Chung designed it, which makes it even cooler. So my favorite car is definitely the Porsche. This is one of my favorite castings, and it looks really good. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Mix 4 Car Culture Collector Set.